Hey guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Let's compare Galaxy A20 and Galaxy M20. Let's start. I'm starting with the rear camera. A20 has a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and also you will get a same in M20, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And talk about the front camera, both smartphone comes with a 8 megapixel selfie camera as well. Now see the difference in RAM and storage. A20 has a one option in RAM 3GB and one option in storage 32GB, but M20 has a two option in RAM and two option in storage 3GB and 4GB in RAM and 32 and 64GB in storage. Now I'm gonna compare the displays. A20 has a 6.4 inch HD plus Super AMOLED display and M20 has a 6.3 inch Full HD plus TFT display. If I talk about the performance, A20 has a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor and other side you will get a 1.8. And talk about the chipset, A20 has Exynos 7884 chipset and M20 has a Exynos 7904 chipset. Now I'm gonna compare some other specification. A20 has an Android 9.0 Pie and M20 has an Android 8.1. And talk about the SIM, both have a dual SIM option, and we don't know about the GPU in A20, but M20 has a Mali G71 MP2 GPU and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back as well. And talk about the battery, Galaxy A20 has a 4000 mAh non-removable battery and M20 has a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. And talk about the price, Galaxy A20 expected price 15,000 in India rupees and 220 in US dollar, and M20 average price 11,000 in India rupees and 160 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.